Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay XRP. Kung saan ang sabi po rito ay expert says XRP could reach $10 this cycle. Pay attention to XRP if you want to make money. Yan, meron na pong isang eksperto ang nakapagsabi na si XRP ay maaari daw po itong umakyat sa presyong $10 ngayong cycle na ito. Yan, mismong ngayong ngayong bull market na ito. Ayan, kaya yan, ayon po sa kanya, dagdag pa niya ay kung gusto na nating kumita ng pera ay tutukan daw po natin itong si XRP. Dahil yan, sa madaling salita ay si XRP ang siyang makakagawa nito para sa atin. Kaya yan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. At ayan, a prominent crypto analyst predicts profit opportunities from monitoring XRP closely, projecting a valuation of $10 within this cycle. In a recent study of XRP, the analyst behind X account Credible Crypto suggested that it is now a crucial time to monitor XRP closely for possible outperformance. If you like making money, it may be time to start paying attention to XRP, the analyst proclaimed on X. Kaya ayan, ang analyst po na nakapagsabi na maaring akyatin ni XRP ang presyong $10 ay si Credible Crypto. Ayan, ayon po sa kanya ay kung gusto raw po natin kumita ng pera ay yan, tutukan daw po natin itong si XRP. Ayan, or umpisan na raw po nating subaybayan yung kanyang galaw. XRP set to outperform Bitcoin by 200%. The analyst delved into XRP's price history, highlighting that XRP tends to surge aggressively once determined to do so. He noted that in past instances of such aggressive breakouts, XRP outperformed Bitcoin. Specifically, he referenced the 2017 to 2018 periods. This was when XRP experienced explosive growth, soaring from 0.2326 on December 7, 2017 to an all-time high of $3.84 on January 4, 2018. This remarkable surge amounted to a staggering 1,550% gain in under 5 weeks. Meanwhile, historical data suggests that Bitcoin only moved from approximately $10,000 to $14,000 during the same period, representing a 40% gain. Another cited instances where XRP outperformed Bitcoin during an aggressive rally was in 2014. According to CoinMarketCap, XRP traded at 0.005039 as of November 16, 2014. However, precisely 33 days later, XRP had surged by 455% to 0.02797. Meanwhile, within the same period, BTC saw a 170% gain from $417 to $1,128. Essentially, the analysts argued that XRP's price surges rapidly and aggressively, often becoming elusive once they begin. He suggested that signs of the signal are beginning to emerge, indicating a significant potential upside for XRP in the upcoming weeks. In particular, he set his target on a potential 200% gain against Bitcoin. Kaya yan, ayon po kay Credible Crypto, ay magagawa daw pong higitan ni XRP itong si Bitcoin base sa kanilang performance. At magagawang higitan daw po ni XRP ng 200% itong si Bitcoin. At ayon po sa kanya, pagdating daw po sa mga aggressive na galawan ng crypto market, ayan, pagdating po rito ay madalas daw pong higitan ni XRP ang performance ni Bitcoin. Ayan. Katulad na lamang ng mga nangyari rito sa mga nakalipas na taon. Yan, tulad daw po ng nitong nakalipas na taong 2017 hanggang 2018 kung saan po nakamit ni XRP ang kanyang pinakamataas na presyo na $3.84 noong January 4, 2018. Ayan po yung mga ilang beses na po niyang napatunayan na kayang-kaya niyang higitan itong si Bitcoin. Kaya nangyari na rin daw po ito nung nagkaroon ng aggressive rally noong 2014. Kaya yan. Kaya yan yung kanyang naging basihan kung bakit niya sabi na mahigitan ni XRP ng 200% itong si Bitcoin ngayong cycle na ito. Road to $10 this season. Furthermore, the analysts indicated that the predicted twofold increase for XRP is merely a minimum target. Should XRP surpass this minimum and break through historical resistance levels, market participants can anticipate further upward expansion for XRP. While emphasizing that a 200% gain would serve as the ultimate confirmation for a similar 2017 rally, the analysts acknowledged the possibility of it not materializing. However, he mentioned that such a breakthrough would open the door to even higher highs, potentially resulting in another 600% gain against Bitcoin. When asked if XRP can make it to $10 this bull season, the analyst responded affirmatively. At press time, XRP trades at 0.5638. Whether the asset will outperform Bitcoin by 800% in the coming weeks remains to be seen. Kaya yan, ang sabi po rito ay yung $10 daw na ito na aakyatin ni XRP ay minimum price lamang daw po ito, sabi ni Credible, yan, ni Credible Crypto. At yun pa sa kanya, pag umakyat daw po si XRP sa presyong $10 ay posible daw po itong magpatuloy, parang magsisilbi po itong breakout. Yan, at magpapatuloy po ito at makakaranas daw ng another 600% na pag-angat sa kanyang presyo. Kaya talagang mahihigitan daw po niya si Bitcoin ng todo. Kaya yan, nung tinanong po si Ginoong Credible kung magagawa nga bang akyatin ni XRP ngayong bull season ang presyong $10, at ang sagot naman po niya ay affirmatively. Ibig pong sabihin ay yes or oo. Kaya yan, ngunit dapat po nating malaman na yung kanyang prediction po rito ay posibleng hindi po magkatotoo kasi prediction lamang po ito. Kaya ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.